80% of people would write their name if asked to write something with a new pen. If a person laughs at a low quality joke, then he is suffering from loneliness. The big toe indicates the nervous weakness hidden by the other fingers, indicating that the person wants to be unnoticed by many. Psychology is the first 6 seconds of meeting with someone. The first impression about him is formed. It is a proven fact that our response to any situation is capable of radically changing that situation. Many times someone's indifference indicates his utmost care, which he does not want to express. If you write down negative thoughts and throw them away like garbage, your mood will get better. In 90% of cases, those whose handwriting is bad are more creative than usual. It has been proven that orange helps reduce anxiety. That's why doctors recommend eating an orange before going to work. Never reveal your goals to anyone. It produces the equivalent effect of achieving goals in the brain. When surrounded by plants, the brain releases certain chemicals which increase the thinking power of the brain. That's why walking in the garden is part of some psychiatric procedures. The conversation of the parents with the child becomes the language of his mind. Eight positive statements disable a negative statement. If someone's foot is back towards you during the story gossip with many people, then it should be understood that he is interested in you. If a girl likes you, she will play with her hair while talking to you. You will rarely die in your dreams. If you die in your dreams, then you have started something new in life. Dream is a conversation between you and your subconscious mind.